Hello everyone. 1 year ago I was taking pictures of the weddings of 3 different couples, and for each couple I made also an album. This is finally the last one. It took the longest. The first one was a steampunk style wedding, the second was Ukrainian folk style, and this wedding was a little bit in the decoration part was more in vintage shabby chic style, and so I decided to make the album in kind of shabby chic vintage lace style. I always wanted to try to make album in such a style, but I never had the opportunity. So I worked on this one, and I'm quite happy with my results, so hopefully they will like it too. Here is a tuck spot with some leftovers photos that I printed but I haven't used in this album. They can add also themselves whatever they want. And the second part of the wedding was also in a folk Slovak style, so I also added some of those pictures and tried to keep the lace fabric going on in the album in a little bit more folk accessories. So that was the last page. That's my logo here, and that's the album. All right, that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.